Yanas. Kolete le wana.
Ndị banye kele mono. Always Agui TV. Onwe video mfuru na internet and say can share with unua. Owe ebe mfuru ebe trailer bu fuel. One accident where fuel were worn na ufuzi from the trailer. Ndị mmadụ ale wereze bucket rubber jerrycan le ekuzi the fuel. The moment I could the fuel, according to eyewitness in order, or say na phone somebody ring at that place, the thing explode. Munzoku, Madu 18, including Mawa Idime Umazi Eto, Hanche Unuchoko, Neti. Why? The mother could say all these things. How can you see a tanker had accident and the fuel splits all over the ground, all over the place? And you have the mind, the audacity to go and risk your life. You're going to kill the fuel. How much are you going to sell the fuel that makes you to risk your life? Is it because of the situation of the country? Because I know before we go into this, before the country become like this, I know that something like this has been happening. I've seen something like this happening before. So I don't see the reason why people keep risking their life. Now, look at Madu 18 now, see, Madu 18, their life now gone like that. What are we going to call this? We need to stop risking our life. Our federal government can't blame like this one now. Are we going to blame federal government for this? We need to stop risking our life. Our life is more precious than all this risk we are taking. How can you see a tanker carrying fuel and you went ahead to go in there and be packing fuel? Eh? Don't you know that it's suicide you are committing? Oh, okay, na chiun. Ona come from tanker bu gasoline, bu diesel. The other day, maybe 2 days ago, obu diesel 2 days ago. Police, Nandami, and all the na one day not there. You people should go out from there. Police are la chua, army la chua. They refuse to go out from there. Even army and police, they are scared to go in there and chase them away because they know that something like this can happen. Policemen are something like this when came, they refuse to go in there. And I seen that upon na question. Police are terminating. You people they risk your life. You people are risking your life, but they refuse packing that gas. Assuming that gas now exploded now, that's how all of them will die that day. Now look at this one. The same thing now happen. Every time we keep risking our life. Now 18 people now wanna just makana unleku fuel. Makunleku fuel now 18 people are now like that. We have to be careful. We have to be careful and stop risking our life for unnecessary things. How much are you going to sell the fuel? Assuming you now want to sell it. Now you pack 10 liter or 20 liter of fuel now. You sell it how much? 20,000, 25,000. Because of 25,000 now you don't kill yourself. I know that things are very difficult. I know the situation right now in the country is very, very hard. But it doesn't warrant your life. It doesn't warrant you to risk your life to kill yourself. This kind of situation we are right now. Now look, 18 people now don't burn. Oh my God. We need to be careful. When we see things like this, stay away from it. Because gasoline, fuel, they're easy to catch fire. Even motor run on top that fuel now, it will catch fire because once the engine they very hot, it will spark light. Now, what it bring this explosion now? What it bring this fire now? She bring that because of phone ring. Because of person phone ring. Now it make that explosion come. You have to be careful. We no carry because of situation. We say we see ourselves. We can't carry our hand go kill ourselves. It's not good. We should stop risking our life unnecessarily like this. This is very, very painful. When I see things like this, it's very, very painful. Make you watch the video. Watch the video, make you see what did happen here.
Yanas. Kolete le wana. Wọ́n ṣe múná win.
They don't lose their life. They are gone. No more. Their chapter don't close. Everything about them now is over. Even the pregnant woman, they say that the fuel now won't come buy from those people. Now fuel won't come buy from them. Now fire catch them for there. Eh? If for kuku wait outside, make them finish what they do, so that you come buy the fuel from them. For you going inside that place where they carry that fuel, go buy fuel now to risk your life too. You for not even enter there at all. Now, wow, this is so painful. This is so painful. We need to stop all the risking our life unnecessarily for what you no get head. How much you go sell that fuel? If you carry 20 liters, how much? You go sell and pass 20,000, 25,000, 30,000. Now you take go kill yourself like this. Your chapter don't go. Please, we should stay away from things like this. Anytime we see things like this, stay away from it. It's very risky. It is very, very risky. Ekuchagum. In fact, I'm done for today. I'm done. I'm just done. Please, don't forget to follow my Facebook page and my YouTube channel. And federal government should please help. If na bad omen, I find out how I go take fix am. All this thing is so painful. Abroad though, they will not dey see all this kind of thing at all. We know they see this kind of thing. Only Nigeria go see where trailer go waka, we carry fuel. You go capsize, you go fall, you go get accident. Oh, why? Every time for Nigeria, everything that happen for Nigeria. Don't forget to follow my Facebook. It's Agui TV.